Welcome to Heavy Vehicle Inspection. In this short guide, you'll learn how to add a new team member using the HVI mobile app. Start by opening the app and tapping on the Team and Operator Management section from the main dashboard. Tap the Add Team button to begin adding a new member to your team. Assign a role to the new team member, such as operator or supervisor, and configure the required permissions. Now enter the user's name, unique ID, and password. Make sure the user ID has at least 6 characters and meets security standards. After filling in the details, tap Save. A confirmation message will appear once the member is added successfully. You can now share login credentials via WhatsApp, email, Teams, or any other messaging app directly from the app. Your team member is now added and ready to log in to the HVI app with their assigned credentials. That's it. Manage team settings. Easily manage the member's account, edit details, view passwords, share access, or remove them when needed. For more tutorials, visit heavyvehicleinspection.com.